Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture Bangalore. Today I am going to take you through one of our recently started 10-year-old home renovation project which is located at Abbigere, Bangalore. I am Amrut Kumar. We at Royal Architecture are specialized in old home renovation in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Before getting into the technicalities and scope of the project, let me first show you how the house was before. You will also see how our design team helped the client to visualize the transformation through 3D views and walkthrough. This property is 10 years old and the client had rented it for the last decade. The major scope of the project is we are combining two separate units to create one larger and more functional home. Structural modification. Since we are merging two houses, we are performing structural changes. You can see two different main doors originally. We are shifting the main doors towards the left, keeping the Vastu Shastra in mind, that is northeast corner. Additionally, we are upgrading the front elevation followed by complete floor renovation, construction and renovation of 5 attached bathrooms and 1 common bathroom. The major interior renovation includes a complete kitchen renovation, 5 bedroom interiors, puja room redesign and the center of attraction, a double height living room featuring a decorative highlight wall and a modern TV unit. In the second house, the existing kitchen is converted into a foyer area and a guest bedroom. We are also demolishing the common wall to connect the foyer unit to the main living area. Living area transformation. The previous living space was completely unplanned. Our design team has created an elegant and modern concept with a double height feature wall, a stylish TV unit, enlarged windows both horizontally and vertically to maximize sunlight and ventilation on the ground floor. Kitchen renovation. The old kitchen layout did not suit modern living, so we redesigned the entire layout to create a modern modular kitchen. Dining area and utility creation. The existing dining area was too small, so we decided to remove one attached bathroom and a bedroom to create a spacious dining area and a dedicated utility room. Puja room and storeroom redesign. The old puja room was demolished and shifted towards the living area. Behind the puja room and the utility space, we created a dedicated storeroom in the southwest direction as per Vastu. Extended balcony towards the roadside and the side setback area. The first floor family living area opens into an open balcony that is connected to the master bedroom. Terrace renovation. On the terrace, the right and the left sides have large open areas. There is also an existing bedroom without an attached bathroom. As I told, there was no attached bathroom for this bedroom. Now we are creating an attached bathroom for this bedroom. We are creating a sit-out area here using MS structure with Bangalore roof tiles. Front elevation upgradation. The existing house lacked proper front elevation, so we designed a timeless and elegant elevation that looked trendy for the years to come. So this is the complete story of the 10-year-old home renovation project by Royal Architecture at Abbigere, Bangalore. For more videos on old home renovation, load-bearing home renovation, bathroom renovation, structural renovation and interior design, please call us today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Royal Architecture. Thank you.